Hi there my awesome friends, it's a really windy day and I'm standing outside. I wanted to show you how gorgeous my little bird came out. I absolutely love him, and if you look closely I did the entire bird with little scratch marks, and it really adds interest and texture. So I hope you love him as much as I do, and have a tweet day.